Welcome to Agricultural Development Trust, Sharda Bai Pawar, Mahila, Arts, Commerce, Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, under which we are learning Reconstitution of Partnership, Chapter number 4, Retirement of a Partners. So, retirement of a partner is a situation where one partner leaves the organization. So, students, in the last video we had seen the theory part and the important journal entry from this chapter. Now, we will look at the example or illustration which is given in your textbook. We will try to understand how it is being calculated or solved. So, it's 80% similar solution is with the admission of partnership, because in this also you have to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and the goodwill treatment is very similar to the admission of partnership. So no need to do more extra effort for this chapter, students. You will feel it easier than the first one. So let's go through the question. The question says, given below is the balance sheet of Raja, Rani and Pradhan. These are the existing three partners who were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses 5:3:2. So students, let me tell you, this is the old profit sharing ratio which is given in your problem. Now, as per the information available, we will decide that whether we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio or gain ratio or not. So their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follows. So the information as on 31st March 2019 is that the creditor is 11,200, bank overdraft is given, reserve fund. You know, students, what happens with the reserve fund? It is always distributed. Okay, so it is always distributed among the old partners. Now in this case, all of them three are the old partners. So these reserve funds will be distributed among all the three partners, and this is the capital amount which is given in your textbook. So it is your balance brought down, means opening balance of the capital account. So whenever you will prepare the capital account, in that you will write this amount as a opening balance of the respective partners capital account. Okay, so what is given in the asset side? As usual, information is given: data, stock, machinery, land and furniture. You know that it is a cash, so this is the opening cash you are having before the retirement. So this will be called as a opening balance of the cash account, students. So this will be also written as a balance BD. In the working note you need to prepare, otherwise if one figure is there you can do it orally. So no need to open your cash account. So let's read further. On 1st April, means on the next year, on the 1st April, the Pradhan retired. So one of the three partners whose name is Pradhan is retiring from the partnership business, and these are the information which is available. So student, no matter whether goodwill is raised or goodwill is written off, whatever the goodwill amount is there, raised, even though raised amount will be also distributed among the partners. So first information is given that the goodwill of the firm will be raised in the books at 20,000, and no any information is given, students. So here we can see that the goodwill is the before the retirement. So whatever the goodwill amount is raised, that is 20,000, it was on the it was till the date of 31st March, and till the date of 31st March 2019. Actually here they have mentioned the 19 and here they have written the 18. It's a printing mistakes. It's a 2019 only, students, here. So you don't get confused, because many times printing mistakes is there. So student, this goodwill is belonging to all three partners, that is Raja, Rani and Pradhan. So it will be distributed in their distribution will be done in the old ratio and return off will be done in the gain ratio, but no return off is given, so we will distribute in the old ratio of the partners. So remember this explanation, student. Now stock is 17,500 and it is reduced by 10%, means 1750 is a reduction in the value of the stock, and 5% of furniture. So what is the furniture amount? 5,000. So 10% will be 500 and 5% of the furniture will be 250. Okay students, so remember this amount, how we will calculate it. We can calculate it orally because it's too much easy. Okay, so machinery is given 30,000 and 30,000's 11% will be, say students, 1%, 10% is 3,000, 1% is 300, so 11% will be 3,300 students. You can calculate it orally or you can apply the formula, that is 30,000 into 11 upon 100. You will get the amount. So stock is reduced by 1750, furniture is reduced by 250, machinery is reduced by 3,300, 11%, and reserve for bad and doubtful debt is 5% on the debtor. So what is the debtor's amount? It is 18,000, 10% will be 1,800 and 5% will be 900 students. This also you can calculate, 18,000 into 5 upon 100, and the creditor's return of amount is already given, so no need to calculate. So these all things will be reflected in the profit and loss adjustment account, or the another name profit and loss adjustment account is a revaluation account. And the last adjustment will be revealed. The first adjustment will reveal in the partner's capital because it is raised and distributed among the partners, and the last adjustment is out of the amount due to the Pradhan. It means Pradhan is leaving to the organization, so he will get his amount which is payable to him. So what the other partners has done, means the business has done, they have given 5,000 to Pradhan as a cash. It means whatever the cash is available to the firm already before retirement. Before retirement 7,600 cash was available with the firm, but out of that 7,600, 5,000 is paid to retiring partner. And what is the name of retiring partner? Pradhan. So 7,600 minus 5,000, so remaining cash after payment of Pradhan will be 2,600. Okay students, that this amount you have to keep it in mind. So 5,000 is being paid to retiring partner, and whatever the balance will be there in the retiring partner's account, that amount will be treated as a loan account of the partner. Okay, Pradhan's loan accounts. So this is the information which is given to you. You have to picturize what is happening into the business and then you start solving. Before going on the solution, student, try to have a habit to read the question carefully. So prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm, means after retirement of the partner. So let's see students, first in the books of partnership firm, profit and loss adjustment account, since stock is decreased, furniture is decreased, RDD, machinery, all the amount is decreased. So what is the entry for the decrease in asset? Revaluation on profit or profit and loss adjustment account debit to assets account. So you can see that on the profit and loss adjustment account debit side they have written stock amount 1750, furniture amount 250, reserve for bad and doubtful debt was 5%, 900, and machineries amount was 3,300. And how it is being calculated I have already told you. And the creditor is a liability nature, is on the liability side. And what is the journal entry for decrease in liability? So decrease in liability will be liability account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. So creditors account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. So that's why on the profit and loss adjustment account we'll write by creditors account 200. Okay students, now these are the revaluation information only which we had, and now we will close the account. So 6200 is a higher total which will be written on the both side, and out of that 200 will be deducted, and after deducting 200, 6000 loss is there. Okay student, so you know the revaluation loss and profit will be shared in the old ratio only. So what is the old ratio? 5:3:2. So in this ratio this 6000 will be distribution. So Raja's will be 5/10. Rani's loss will be calculated by multiplying by 3/10, and Pradhan's will be multiplied by 2/10. So you will get this amount 3000, 1800 and 12%. Now let's have a look on the partner's capital account. In the partner's capital account, first we will record the opening balance from the given balance sheet. Given balance sheet, or we can say the old balance sheet, because after solving the problem we will prepare the new balance sheet. So whatever the given balance sheet is given to you, in that you can see the capital account of capital amount of all the partner, and that will be the opening balance. So capital is of liability nature, so opening balance will be written on the credit side. 42,000, 37,000 and 33,200 is as per the balance sheet which is already given to you. No any calculation is done for that. And now the reserve fund was also reflected in the old balance sheet. So whatever the old balance sheet reserve fund amount was there, so that reserve fund will be distributed again in the old ratio, that is 5:3:2, and you know how to write it. 5:3:2. It means 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. By doing that multiplication you will get Raja's reserve fund 7500, Rani's and Pradhan's. Okay, now students, we will start with the first adjustment was goodwill is raised 20,000. So nothing is given after that, whether it is written off or what. So what we'll do, we'll raise the goodwill. So what is the entry for raising the goodwill? Goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. So entry will be like this only. Partners capital account credit side will write by goodwill account. Again also it is in the old ratio which is already given to you, because no return off is given. So whatever the old ratio is there, goodwill will be distributed in that only. So 5:3:2. So you will get 20,000 goodwill ratio distribution, you will get 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Okay, so student, that whatever the profit and loss was there in the profit and loss adjustment account, it was on the credit side, so the transfer will be on the debit side, 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. And then after, in the last adjustment, it was given that the whatever the amount was payable to Pradhan, out of that 5,000 is being paid in cash. So what will be the journal entry? Pradhan account debit to cash account. So Pradhan's account debit side you will write to cash account and 5,000 in the Pradhan's column. And now student, all the adjustment is over, and then what we will do, we will close the capital account. So after doing the totaling, 59,500 is the higher total of Raja, and out of that 3,000 is deducted. So Raja's closing balance is 56,500. Rani's total is 47,500, and after deducting 1,800, 45,700 is a closing balance, students. And now we will close the Pradhan's account. 40,200 minus 5,000 and 1,200 means 6,200. So 34,000 is closing balance. But this closing balance, they have told that whatever the remaining balance after payment of 5,000 is there, okay, that all will be treated as a Pradhan's loans account. So the closing balance of Pradhan will be called as a Pradhan's loan account, and the closing balance of Raja and Rani will be known as a balance carried down. This is the difference, students. But you know that the capital's closing balance and loan is also will be reflected on the balance sheet liability side. So let's have a first creditor amount was 11,200. So after the reduction, what should be the amount? 11,000 should be shown on the outer column. Bank overdraft, nothing was given. You will copy from the old balance sheet as it is. And the partner's capital account, Raja's balance, closing balance is 56,500 and 45,700. And the loan account of the Pradhan was showing 34,000. And after totaling it, you will get 1,56,900. And now the cash, how the cash is you can see 2,600, because out of 7,600 which was as per the old balance sheet, okay student, 7,600, you will minus the amount paid to the returning partner. So how much was paid to the returning partner? 5,000. So 2,600. Debtors 900, deduction will be there, and outer column 17,100. Stock 10%, 1750. So this amount will come on outer. Machinery 11% was there, so 11% we already had calculated, 3,300, and that we will deduct and write the amount in the outer column. Land, nothing was given for the land, so we will record the land amount as it is. Furniture was depreciated by 5%, so we have deducted 5%, 250, and 4750 is the outer column. Goodwill is raised means student it should be shown. So goodwill account debit to old partners capital account, partners capital. So in the partners capital we already distributed the goodwill, but this goodwill will be reflected in the balance sheet 20,000. And now if you will take the total, you will get the same total, that is 1,56,900. So hope you understood this problem, which was very easy. Any doubt, any query regarding this, you can ask me in tomorrow's meet session. Till then, thank you.